Heavy security deployed outside Allu Arjun's residence. Police with lathis reach here. According to sources, Allu Arjun with his legal team is possibly moving to Chikadapalli police station in just some time from now at about 11 o'clock is what we know. Apurva getting in more details on that big story. Apurva, there the cops taking no chances with heavy security deployed after the attack that took place. He also has to appear before the police in connection with this case at 11 is what we are picking up. What more can you tell us?
Well, Sneha, in fact, it's been a very hectic morning here outside Allu Arjun's residence. What I will just show you, my video journalist will show you, is that there's heavy police, deployment here. Barricades that have been put up, police with lathis, all ready. There's also police vans that have been deployed here, to ensure that there is absolute police deployment here, to ensure no untoward incidents happen. Bouncers who have been put in place, and this apart from barricades, all of them to ensure that all things go smoothly, so that when Allu Arjun leaves from his residence to go for the investigation, interrogation at Chikadapalli police station, as he's been served notice yesterday he's expected to arrive at 11 o'clock. That's what the notice has been given to Allu Arjun and his legal team. And we're also seeing that all of these arrangements that are right behind me, all of this is to ensure that Allu Arjun and his legal team will be leaving from his residence shortly and will be reaching Chikadapalli police station as well. What we do know is this is the second notice that has been issued to Allu Arjun. Remember, the first one, after he was issued a notice, he had been picked up by the Chikadapalli police, the task force police, right from his residence here where we are standing at, and he had been taken, wherein he had been produced before the court, and then finally the Telangana High Court had granted an interim bail, but a conditional bail that had been given to Allu Arjun, including 50,000 rupees worth of sureties. This apart from a statement from him that, he mustn't be leaving. In fact, we have, Allu Arjun's father-in-law who's just arrived here as well. Sir, how confident are you in today's way forward?
100%.
More and more people. So, Allu Arjun's father-in-law who's just arrived here, and he's gone inside this even as this, notice had been issued for Allu Arjun at Chikadapalli police station. He's also going to go ahead and, support for Allu Arjun has been pouring in from his close friends and family. In fact, not only his father-in-law, but we're also seeing several people near and dear to Allu Arjun who have been arriving here at his residence. Even that day, when he had been picked up here from his residence as well and taken to the police station for investigation, we saw that, there was a lot of people who had arrived here showing a show of support, a hand of support for Allu Arjun. But now, his father-in-law has just arrived here as well, and he is also going to go ahead and speak with the family there. Yesterday, late last night, until, late last night, meetings had happened with Allu Arjun's legal team at his residence over here. In fact, his legal team had arrived here and they had held meeting as to prepare and prep for what will be a very long and extensive investigation and interrogation today, the second time that he's been called into Chikadapalli police station. Remember, Chikadapalli police station is where the FIR had been filed, and right now, as things are going ahead, closer to the time when he's been summoned to arrive at the police station, you see that the security has been completely beefed up in and around this area. Barricades that have been set across in both sides of the street to ensure that apart from police and necessary vehicles and residents in the street, no other person is allowed. But yes, we do see that as time inches closer to 11 a.m. when he's being called for summons there at Chikadapalli police station for interrogation, it does look like things are going to get tighter on. Sneha.
Very clear it will be. He is to be questioned also in connection with the stampede at about 11 o'clock. He did get bail a few days ago, but he had to spend a night in jail. The controversy refuses to die down at a time when the makers of the film, have also given 50 lakh rupees in compensation to the victim's family here. Apurva.
Well, yes, in fact, yesterday the Maitri movie's producers had, met with the family of the victim there, Revati, who had lost her life at the Sandhya theatres. And, in fact, Maitri movie producers had arrived there. They had met with the family. They had spoken to the doctors, and they had also issued a check of rupees 50 lakhs to the father there, and the father of the child as well as the husband of Revati there. And they had in fact gone ahead and also stated that they are monitoring the situation on ground. In fact, Allu Arjun has been reiterating this since day one. He put out a video saying he's sorry what happened, but he's also saying that he is there for the child, he's there for the family, and he will support them in any which way possible that he can. And that's why, that's also one of the reasons why we are seeing several people coming out in support there, checking up on the family. In fact, incidentally, the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy had also at the assembly spoken on this specific point. In fact, right after Allu Arjun was released on interim bail, and you saw a flurry of celebrities and noted names coming to his residence and speaking to him, Revanth Reddy noted that there wasn't anybody who went and checked on the condition of the boy, who is a 9-year-old boy, let me remind you, who is in a very critical stage at a private hospital receiving treatment here in Hyderabad. In fact, the Chief Minister commented saying that yes, you went ahead, you congratulated him, you were there for him and all, but what happened to the boy? Why was none of you, be it the film fraternity, you all went there in support of Allu Arjun, but not one of you could come in support of the boy who has lost his mother, and he himself is in a life or death kind of a situation that he's battling for his life. And is this what you show to the people who you say are your fans? So that's a strong statement that had come in from the Telangana Chief Minister and there in the assembly, following which Allu Arjun had also gone on and stated that I am there for the family, I am there to support them in however and whichever way possible that I can. And following that as well, yesterday we saw the Maitri movies producers who had gone there to the KIMS hospital, the private hospital here in Hyderabad, where the boy has been admitted and is receiving treatment. That met with the father of the boy, and then also handed over a 50 lakh check to them, and assured them of any further assistance that they will need, any kind of help that they will need. The Maitri, the producers, the actor, and the entire cast of Pushpa will be there to support them.
All right.